Are you streaming to an empty room on TikTok, waiting for viewers who never show up? In 2026, the TikTok algorithm is brutal. If your life doesn't have immediate interaction, it gets buried. You need social proof to convince real people to stop scrolling and start watching your content. Stop wasting your energy. Introducing 𝐓𝐞𝐿𝐍𝐶, the ultimate TikTok live engagement booster. Our software is designed to breathe life into your streams. We don't just send bugs, we simulate high quality, human-like activity that signals the algorithm to push your live to the For You page. Let's look at our first major feature, massive viewer scaling. With 𝐓𝐞𝐿𝐍𝐶, you can deploy hundreds of accounts to your live stream at once. Each profile is isolated with unique hardware fingerprints and residential proxies, ensuring your stream stays 100% safe from platform flags. This creates an instant crowd effect that attracts organic traffic naturally. Feature number 2. Dynamic interaction logic. The accounts aren't just sitting there. They actively tap the screen to send likes, share the stream, and interact with your shop links. This mimics the behavior of your most loyal fans on complete autopilot. You can also customize every single comment to fit your specific niche. Use our smart comment feature to set up a list of questions or hide messages. The AI will distribute them at randomized intervals, making the conversation look organic and lively. It's the perfect way to answer facts before they're even asked. The result, a massive boost in your stream's authority and visibility. When real users see a stream with hundreds of viewers and a bustling comment section, they stay. This is the psychological power of social proof. You're turning a dead broadcast into a high-energy sales event. 𝐓𝐞𝐿𝐍𝐶 handles the engagement so you can focus on your performance. Scaling your business in 2026 requires smart automation. By using 𝐓𝐞𝐿𝐍𝐶, you reduce the cost of organic growth and increase your ROI by maximizing the reach of every single live session. Stable, scalable, and built for professional streamers who want to win. Don't let your hard work go unnoticed. Join the top agencies using 𝐓𝐞𝐿𝐍𝐶 to dominate the TikTok live landscape today. Click the link in the description to get started. Like this video and subscribe for more pro-level marketing tips. See you in the next one.